Hi, in this session I'm going to demonstrate how to install JDK 1.8 on Windows 7. In my case it is Windows 10. So it is applicable from Windows 7 up to 10. Let us get started. So this session covers pre-installation verification steps, hardware and operating system requirements, and then we will go through downloading JDK 1.8 on our machines and setting up environment variables for the system, and I'm going to show you the demonstration about installation of JDK 1.8 on my machine, post-installation verification step, and followed by summary. Let us get started. So in this step, you just need to follow the pre-installation verification step. So launch the command prompt, type the commands like Java, Java version, or javac. Any one of them or all of them basically wouldn't be recognized because Java was never installed. Let us move on. Launch control panel. Check for Java. If Java is found, it means Java is installed. If it is not found, it means Java is not installed yet on the machine. So hardware and operating system requirements. Processor minimum i3 or higher, 32-bit or 64-bit. RAM 4 GB or higher. Operating system Windows 7 up to 10. So in this step, let us download JDK 1.8. Please copy the URL and go to the browser and launch the website with that URL. So once you are there, download the appropriate version of JDK on your machine that matches your machine. So if it is Windows 64, so download Windows x64 JDK. If it is Windows x36 or 32-bit, so it means you need to download 32-bit version of JDK. Let us move on. So we will set up the environments like Java Home, and I will show you how to set up the Java Home in the environment variables. And also path. We need to append Java Home bin to the path. I'll show you those steps. A note on JRE. If you just need to run Java apps, you just need to download JRE. JDK is not installed because with JDK compiler comes. With JRE compiler does not come. So JRE is good enough if you just need to run the applications. So take this URL and download it if you need only JRE. Otherwise you need full JDK. So JDK includes JRE, so you can develop as well as run Java apps. Let us go to the installation demonstration. So once you have the URL, copy and paste it over here and to any of your browser and download JDK according to your system. So currently I'm downloading the JDK 1.8. It is about 1 minute left. So I have a JDK 1.8 downloaded. Let's go to the folder where it is downloaded and double click the installation and run it. Meanwhile, you can say yes in this case. And run the installation. Make a folder of on your PC like something like this. I am following with the C development tools JDK 1.8. I mean inside JDK 8. So copy it and change its default path of installation to the one which we want, if we like. Say OK. Next. So in this case, it will install JDK 1.8 into the folder path where we have decided to put in. So you can see all these folders now. This is asking for JRE 1.8. Where does it want to get it installed? So it wants it to have it over here, but we will change it. Change it to the one which we have here. Put it here, JRE8. Create a JRE8 folder and give the path over here. Select it, next, and then it will continue installation of JRE. So JRE has been installed, and we can see the bin folder. We have all these DLLs over here, various EXEs, and so on. So that is JRE, and this is JDK over here. So in the bin, you can see javac, java. This is a compiler, javac is a compiler, Java is a runtime environment. So it has also got source code.zip. So in this case, you can go to all the source code of JDK, and you can scan if you need, if you are interested to go into the source code and look around. So it says here JDK 1.8 64-bit is successfully installed. I'll close it now and minimize this one, and let us go to the control panel. So once you are here, you can see the programs and features. Make it large. See here we have now JDK 1.8 over here installed. So double click it. We don't want to uninstall it, but it says it means that it is installed now. So here we have JDK 1.8 installed. With this step, you can say JDK is installed, but we need to verify it. So for that, we need to go to command prompt, type in commands like Java. It is recognized now, right? So let us go to the, before that, let us type in javac. It is not recognized. So it means it is not able to find where javac is. Type in where javac, so it cannot find the pattern. So what you need to do is go to environment variables and edit them. Go to the environment variables, go to the system variables now, and add Java home. But before that, copy JDK 1.8 path. Create Java home variable. Java underscore home. Variable value will be the one where JDK is installed. Say OK. And go to the path, edit it. See, we don't have Java here, so say new and type in percentage in between Java home / bin, and that's all. Say OK. OK. And now you need to close this console. Say OK over here. go to the command prompt again, type in javac. This time it is recognized. Type in Java, it is recognized. CLS means clear the screen, and type in Java version. Here you go, it says JDK 1.8 is installed. It means system is now ready to run Java apps, as well as you can develop Java apps. So basically we have completed the installation. So we can launch the command prompt and see we can run Java commands as I have already shown in the previous step. But we can also run javac. Any class, if you know, I will let you know the class is right here. So let's see, java.lang.string. This is a string class which is pre-provided by JDK. So enter it. So you will see what are the methods inside. You can see all the signatures which are there inside. So let me clear the screen and let me go to any other folder and type in javac. It is again recognized. So it means Java is installed now. So we have completed our JDK 1.8 installation setup. Please note this installation also applies to JDK 1.9. And let's cover the summary. JDK 1.8 is installed on your machine. Verification is verified. Commands like Java, javac, Java version are recognized, and JDK 1.8 also installs JRE. So we have completed this session. Thank you.